Now we are going to discuss type of matrices. First, type of matrices. First, row matrix. A matrix having only one row, is called row matrix. तो ऐसी मैट्रिक्स जिसके पास केवल एक रो, सिंगल रो, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? रो मैट्रिक्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, A is equal to 2, 3, 5 is a row matrix because it has only one row. Second, column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called column matrix. For example, 1, 2, 4. Let's take this matrix. Here we see, here is 3 row, but one column. 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, but one column. So it is called column matrix. Third, zero matrix or null matrix. A matrix, each of whose element are zero, यानी कोई एक ऐसी मैट्रिक्स जिसके सारे के सारे एलिमेंट जीरो हों, तो ऐसी मैट्रिक्स को हम नल मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं या जीरो मैट्रिक्स कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, A is equal to 2, 3, this one 3 into 2 cross matrix है, और a matrix we take D is equal to 0, 0. These are the null matrix. Example of null matrix means all the elements of this matrix are zero. Now we are going to discuss about a matrix, fourth type of matrix, square matrix. A matrix in which the number of row and column are equal is called square matrix. For example, A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 6, 3, 2, 1, 2, 5 is a square matrix of order 3 cross 3. We can take one more other 2, 3, 5, 1. This is a matrix of order 2 cross 2. Here is also the number of row and column are equal. So it is called a square matrix of order 2. And this one is called a square matrix of order 3. ऑर्डर 3 cross 3 बोलने की वो जब मैंने स्क्वायर कह दिया, हमसे स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स इट मीन कि उसकी ऑर्डर रो एंड कॉलम सेम है, और ऑर्डर 2 मीन्स मतलब है कि नंबर ऑफ रो भी 2 है, नंबर ऑफ कॉलम भी 2 है. इज दैट क्लियर? Now we are going to discuss diagonal element of a matrix. Diagonal element of a matrix. Let A is equal to Aij n cross n be a matrix, then the elements Aij for which I is not equal to j are called for which I is equal to j are called diagonal element of matrix. Thus, the element of a matrix A is equal to Aij m cross n are diagonal elements as A11, A22, A33 and so on. Now, diagonal matrix. One is very important. If we talk about diagonal matrix, so a square matrix in which every diagonal elements are 0, then it is called diagonal matrix. If there is a square matrix and all the elements other than the diagonal elements are 0, then the matrix is called a diagonal matrix. For example, मैं अभी एक एग्जांपल ले रहा हूं. A is equal to 2 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 3. ये एक डायगोनल मैट्रिक्स है. So we can say if A is equal to Aij n cross n is a square matrix, is a diagonal matrix, then for each I is not equal to j, for each Aij for which I is not equal to j is 0 means वो सारे एलिमेंट जिसमें आई और जे की वैल्यू सेम नहीं रहेगी वो सारे एलिमेंट मैट्रिक्स के जीरो होंगे। फॉर एग्जांपल ए इज इक्वल टू हम ले लें A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33। तो we see कि इन थ्री एलिमेंट्स के अलावा जितने भी एलिमेंट है उसमें आई और जे इक्वल नहीं है। आई 3 है, यहाँ 1 है, यहाँ आई 3 यहाँ 2 है, जे यहाँ 2 है, आई जे की वैल्यू 1 है, यानी 2 रो 1 कॉलम ये एलिमेंट है। तो ये सारे एलिमेंट्स की वैल्यू जो होगी the value of these element will be 0 and we can take an example of a matrix. For example, A is equal to 2 0 0 0 3 5 3 0 0 0 1 is a diagonal matrix because all the elements other than the diagonal elements are 0. Now let A is equal to 3 0 0 5 7 0 0 0 0 5. We see that it's a square matrix and it's a diagonal matrix. Then we may write, then we may write as A is equal to diagonal 3 5 3 7 5. If you will write this way, then it will define this one कि ये है और हम directly समझ सकते हैं because we see that there are 3 diagonal elements. It means it's a matrix of 3 cross 3 and all the elements are in a diagonal matrix are 0. That's why we will write only the diagonal elements. Now we are going to discuss scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is a matrix in which and a scalar matrix is a square matrix. A square matrix in which all the non-diagonal elements are 0 and diagonal elements, each diagonal elements are equal. Moreover, we can say for the scalar matrix कि a scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix in which all the elements of the diagonals are equal. So, for example, A is equal to 2 0 0 0 2 0 0 0 and 2. It's a scalar matrix because you see all the elements of the diagonals are equal and all the non-diagonal elements are 0. So a scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. Every scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix, but diagonal matrix is not to be a scalar matrix. हो भी सकती है नहीं भी हो सकती क्योंकि when all the elements of the diagonal will be equal, then we call the diagonal matrix as a scalar matrix. Clear? Now, unit matrix. A matrix, a square matrix in which all the non-diagonal elements are zero. Non-diagonal element means these elements are zero, and all the diagonal elements are identity, yani one. Means one. For example, A is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is a identity matrix. You can see this is also a diagonal matrix. This one is also a diagonal matrix, and this is diagonal matrix, you know. But these two are the special case of diagonal matrix. And you can say unit matrix is a special case of scalar matrix when all the diagonal elements which are same are one, then the matrix is called unit matrix. Now we are going to discuss comparable matrix. Comparable matrix, if two matrices are of the same order, then they are called comparable matrix. For example, A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 and B is equal to 3, 5, 2, 9. This is also 2 cross 2 matrix and this is also 2 cross 2 matrix, and they are of the same order. They are of the same order. Then they are comparable matrix. Now we are going to discuss equal matrix. What's the two matrices A and B are said to be equal matrix if they are of the same order and they have the same element, corresponding element also. यानी हमारे पास दो मैट्रिक्स है और उन मैट्रिक्स के ऑर्डर भी सेम हो और उनके जो करस्पॉन्डिंग एलिमेंट्स हो वो भी सेम हो. फॉर एग्जांपल A is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 and B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Then A and B are equal because they have same order 2 cross 2. Both are 2 cross 2 matrix and their corresponding element are same. Here 2, here 2, here 3, here 3. You can see, and so we can say कि all the equal matrices are comparable matrix, but comparable matrix need not to be equal matrix. All the equal matrices are comparable matrix, but comparable matrix need not to be equal matrix. Clear? Now you can solve first and second exercise. So solve it, and after that we will discuss next topic.